Hey, good morning, Algebra 2 students. Today is Tuesday, January 19th. Hope you had a good holiday weekend. Welcome back to class. We are working on section 6.7 today, doing a lesson and then a homework assignment. Looking ahead in the folder a little bit, you can see we'll finish up the back half of chapter 6 this week. We'll review on Thursday and take the test on Friday on section 6.5 to 6.8. Remember, this test is on the formative grade, not summative, so we won't be doing retakes or anything because we're coming right up to the end of the semester. So it'll be a little bit lower stakes test, but we'll still go over the information and still go on the formative grade. And then the week after that is finals week, so I guess that's next week. And so we'll just have some review days and take the exam. If you need to take this exam early at all or anything, let me know. You can do this stuff ahead of time and do it early if needed. Let's see, it's 25 points. It does go on your summative grade, so it's worth about one test. Any questions about that, just reach out by email. Okay, have a good week.